Hello friend, now we are going to study how to factorize cubic polynomials. Yes, for that we are taking one example, and with the example only we will understand all those things. Yeah, first of all we are taking example x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Here one example we have taken. Okay, so now here we are going to find three factors from it. So before that, one thing I would like to tell you, without solving, just by observation we can find one factor of it. Okay, so how it can be? Okay, so now see, it is first and second term, means odd term, and it is first and third, it is odd term, and second and fourth, those are even sum. If just see coefficient, if addition of the coefficient of first and third is equal to addition of the coefficient of second and fourth, then we can suppose that one of the factors is one of them. Okay, just see back again what it is. Its coefficient is 1 and it's 11, 1 and 11 12, and here 6 and 6 12. If this term passes, then we can say out of the factors one factor is 1. Okay, but still we are going on for further clearation. Okay, so it can be sometime only, so let it just in your knowledge. Okay, now two terms we should satisfy to find its factors. So what we are finding? Three factors, and multiplication of three factors should be with this constant number, means last term of the example, and look to this second term. Addition of the coefficient of all these three should be 6. That is, if those both cases are being passed, then our examples factor we can easily find. So now see, firstly factorize this last one constant number. Then it is factorization of it 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those are the factors of it. So what we are taking factors, those can be also plus or minus. This is one thing we should keep in mind. Okay, now we should find the possibilities from plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and plus minus 6. Now what are we requiring? 6 as a multiplication. So 1 2 3. If we are taking 1 2 3, then 6 is multiplication. 1 2 2 and 2 3 6. So this condition can be complete. Now addition must be 6. Then arrange 1 2 3. So addition, to find addition 6. So let it be, if all are positive, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, they are being 6. So that's it. Okay, our all three factors we have found. But now to write in this form, like x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. That's it. Those are the three factors of this example. In that way, very easy it is. Now one more example we are taking, so our concept would be more clear. Now example is x cube plus 3x square minus 13x minus 15. Okay, yes, now here constant is minus 15. Okay, so now just we are turning to second and fourth one term. Second and fourth one term. So what we are, two terms, multiplication of all three terms coefficient must be minus 15, and addition of all three terms should be plus 3. That's it. Okay, so just firstly find factors of it. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Those are the factors. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, you know it. So just one time I will write back again. Yes. Okay, so now we are needing multiplication 15. So 3 5s are 15, 1s are 15. So 1 3 5 easily we can take. Now only think how we can make plus 3, addition of those all three plus 3. Okay, if 1 plus 3 plus 5 we are taking, then addition is being 9. Okay, so just now try one more thing, let it minus, then 1 plus 5, 6 minus 3, plus 3. So now definitely those 3 are the factors. So write in this form x plus 1, x minus 3 and x plus 5. That's it, nothing more than that. Yeah, okay. So here one more example. Here one more thing I would like to tell, just if we are solving in that way, then not to try further method, but still I am going to tell you. Okay, suppose here this is the polynomial given to us to find the factors, and by observation we would found that addition of the coefficient is here 13 minus 13 1 minus 12 and minus 15 and plus 3 minus 12 is same. Then what we told ki our first factor is x plus 1. Just now I have told you some before some time. Okay, so if with this factor you are going to divide this one, then you will find one you will find, let us solve then, that would be more easy. Okay, so now we are going to divide it. Yes, okay, we know one of the factor is this much. With this factor x plus 1 we are going to divide it. Then remind our division, how to divide. Yes, what are we doing? Just we are hiding first one term and then one term is remaining, so one term we are putting before cross line, and plus 1 is there, so we are putting here minus 1. Here is power 1, here is 3, so 3 minus 1, first one's power 2x, is it? Okay, now x square minus 1, x square into minus 1, it is being minus x square. Okay, so now here is 1, 3 minus 1, it is plus 2, and from x square power of 2, 1 power I am lessing it, so 1 to only x is remaining. Okay, now thirdly 2x into minus 1, so it is being minus 2x. Now minus 13 minus 2, it is minus 15, and 1 power to decrease, so it is 1 only, so I am not writing anything here. Yes, and now furtherly minus 15 into minus 15, it is being plus 15. So that's it here. 15 and 15, remainder comes 0. Here are two terms. If remainder comes 0, and then now just only see what factors have been hidden in this. That's it. Okay, so minus 15 to turn in the plus 2. Okay, so 3 5s are, and if it is plus and it is minus, then is it 3 5s are. So that's it. Look here, this polynomial's factor is what? X minus 3 and x plus 5. Just only we done here, and we know one of it is, that is x plus 1. That's it. In that way also we can solve one method. Alternative method you should know, so I am just telling. Else then, if necessary, then only try it, else not. Sometime it can be necessary for you. Okay, so now next one example I am solving just now. Now we are solving one more example. Let us see. The example is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, so here one more new thing we are observing, that with the cubic term there is variable 2, means more than 1. Yeah, in this situation firstly we have to try to lapse it out. So how can we remove this 2 from here? Just only one option we have. Let us divide each term by 2. That's only way with us. Okay, so by dividing, what would happen? This and this would be cut it down, this and this would be cut it down, and so furtherly again we are writing, that is x cube plus, now this I want to write in that way, 1 and half x square minus x minus 1 and half. That's it. Okay, now it is last one and it is second one term. Multiplication of all those three factors should be minus 1 and half, and addition of all those factors should be plus 1.5. If those two conditions are being followed, then our example will be correct. So now see firstly what are the factors of minus 1.5. It can be plus or minus 1.5, and also every number has 1 as a factor, so plus minus 1.5. We have 4 options. Out of 4 options, choose 3 options so that addition will be plus 1.5. So I am choosing 1, minus 1, and addition we are requiring plus 1. Okay, so I am choosing here minus 1.5. Okay, in this condition what would happen? 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1.5, answer would be 1.5, means plus 1.5. So our 3 factors we are taking here, this 1, 2 and 3. So writing answer x plus 1, x plus 1, second x minus 1, and third one factor we are taking, it is x minus 1.5. Is it? So in that way we could solve example. Thank you. Enjoy.